CASA Mental Health is a nonprofit organization that was created by families for families more than 40 years ago. And the intent was to ensure that we could provide services to children and families as a wraparound. Sometimes in the mental health system, we have services that seem like a continuum, but they're not. So lots of times we can get community-based care and physician services, and we can get emergency response and hospital services, but we can't get anything in the middle. And what CASA does is it provides that missing middle for the community.
As an organization, we're able to move kids through different levels of service depending on their need. We have a variety of healthcare individuals that work here that provide services, and they really are focused on working with those children, youth, and families around their mental illness.
For many years, CASA Mental Health was primarily an Edmonton-based organization, and we served about 4,000 children, youth, and family. We're really excited because we've more than doubled in 2 years. We serve about 8,900 now children, youth, and families, and we know the need is even greater. CASA Mental Health has a plan to expand provincially, all the way from southern Alberta, Medicine Hat and Lethbridge area, all the way to northern Alberta and Fort McMurray. And the idea isn't to expand just because, it's because what we know is we can complement our Alberta Health Services colleagues and the community in order to better serve children across that continuum.
So as we're rolling out, we're going to be delivering something first called CASA Classrooms. CASA Classrooms is really targeting kids and youth that haven't traditionally been able to be treated by an outpatient or other service delivery model for their mental illness. What we do in the CASA Classroom is every day kids get some level of mental health treatment. The program focuses on the individual child, but also on the family, providing additional education and support for that parent to understand their children's mental illness. CASA Classrooms is an opportunity unlike anything that's been put forward in the mental health system yet. It's the biggest budget increase children's mental health has had in Alberta. It makes us the second largest provider of children's mental health in the province. And it is amazing that we as an organization here at CASA are able to facilitate that and to be part of that and to bring others along on the journey.
It's more important than ever before. More kids are showing up at our door. This service is not only needed in what it brings, but the fact that it offers an intervention before children should ever have to get to a hospital.
CASA is an organization that provides a fantastic experience for potential employees. As an organization, we are really focused on supporting individuals wherever they may be in their professional career and providing opportunities to grow and learn new skills that stretch their abilities, that teach them new things, that provide them with opportunities to really achieve the patient outcomes we're trying to achieve here at CASA.
At CASA Mental Health, we often talk about the fact that people who join us come here on purpose with purpose. At CASA Mental Health has been on a journey to create a culture where we are inclusive and thoughtful and diverse, and people can bring ideas. We really pride ourselves on all those things, but we're also a learning and training organization. We want this to be an opportunity for people to grow and learn and provide things to our community that they've never been able to before.
We're always looking at opportunities to be innovative and how to really support our clinicians and our individuals to succeed.
This is the most proud I have ever been to work in an organization. What we are doing at CASA has the ability to change the trajectory of the lives of children and families, but even more so, we have the potential right now to set the foundation for all of Canada. People are starting to look to us for what the model is. CASA Mental Health is looking for people who believe that we can make a difference in the lives of children and families, who have experiences in their own lives that they want to bring to the organization and share with us. But also we want employees who want to change the world. And we want them to be passionate and be thought partners with us and people who see the value in the conversation as much as the direction.
Come work for us. Come work for CASA. Come make a difference in children's mental health. Come make a difference in children's lives in Alberta. This is the opportunity.